rum. So there's a strong smell. What smell?
Fermenting.
Oh, is it fermenting process? It's not that.
Yeah. Fermentation.
Oh, that's what she did. So then it's
Yeah.
so the strong smell is from the fermenting process. They use the thing.
What thing?
They use the waste to make fertilizer. So there's, I don't know. So right now I'm going to drink some rum and I am already drunk. See all these barrels of rum. So we have
This is the best, I remember.
I don't know.
Alright, so everyone, I know that you must be wondering about the barrels right here. These are displays. Rum is in the glass, not the barrel.
Oh.
okay.
So we just want you to understand how the rums will change as they age. Also, I said to you that the rum comes off crystal clear, colorless. So it starts like this.
Wow.
Once you put it in the barrel, it will start to get color. It will get
Wow.
another thing, level decreases. Starts all the way up here. By the time it gets to 30, that is what we have left. So we're losing a lot of rum. So the rum will evaporate, it goes up into the atmosphere. We call it the angel's share. So
Wow.
the angel gets their share.
Fallen angels.
Now, yes, the rums will evaporate, but that's not the only thing that will happen. The rums will get smoother, sweeter, darker, and more.
Nicer.
Weaker. It's weaker than that. No, it's weaker than
It's weaker?
Yes.
The stronger.
Ah.
The stronger. Of course.
No, it's not.
Of course it is.
So the reason why I say this, we created a 50-year-old rum. It was the oldest rum ever created back then. The cost, 5,000 US a bottle, 500 a shot.
Wow.
We're sold out. Sold out from 2018.
What?
So we're trying to do something else, but it won't be ready until 2062.
What? It's a dead long time.
You know what? Right now we're here for the list because I'll be there.
Yes,
Right
I'll
now
be
we're here for the list.
Ah.
Sign me up.
So everyone, turn your heads to that side. Prime Minister's Reserve Jamaica rum will celebrate 100 years of independence for Jamaica. Estimated cost, 30,000 US a bottle. Yes. Do I have anybody? It's okay.
Wait. Check back the 26 or something. The 26 or something, I'm going to buy something.
Alright, come a little closer, let me explain.
You're probably reaching a parliament too, man. That's
Yeah.
Alright, so let me put it this way. I know that I said 30,000, but just remember rum is good investment. So when the company is sold out, you can always sell yours for more. So for example, I told you that the 50 was 5,000. Today's price, 25,000 a bottle. Alright?
So me know what you are doing. You are work for save your money for buy a buckle. Don't get put them out of business. Me know.
In 62, when we got independence to present, we've only had 9 prime ministers in total. So how we did it in 2012, we got all the past prime ministers, all the relatives of those who passed away, to pour 9 bottles of 50 into 9 barrels.
Wow.
So the 9 barrels, they had new rum, and they poured 9 bottles of 50 on top. So in 2062, the new rum will be 50, but those that they poured on top, 100.
Wow.
So minimum 50, maximum 100. All right? Everybody understands?
Yes.
All right, so 2 last things, and then we're going to head to rum tasting.
Yeah, man.
All right?
Come on, Mom.
All right, so I give you permission, squeeze the plot, smell.
Smell it already, Mom.
Okay, so this is a 20-year rum, 78%.
Yes, it's 20 because I'm looking at it.
It's actually sweet. Actually sweet for sure. It's actually sweet. Oh, sorry. I'm smelling it. It actually smells sweet.
Amazing. For the smell again, any. But the dundo, when you came again, you smell like dundo. When you say smell like one again, dundo pan. Dundo. I used to hear that when I was little, you know. Dundo pan.
All right. So we're heading back now. I think this is our last stop. We are going to taste some rum. The sun is very hot. It's boiling, man. The blanket. Oh God, what should people No, actually, I feel good for me. You never seen me? I said, for me. Man, drunk and I mean, I said that.
No, just push him more than
Well, she just put her hand on it. Oh, okay. So I guess I don't have a drink something right now. I'm drunk already. Oh my God. So, they have some mango tree and something over here too. So we're back at the bar. So guys, oh my God, it feels so different in here with the AC. I feel like I'm in heaven. So, I drink some rum, you know. So yeah. Then they have coffee in one. This is the coffee, and then you have some mix up, and then you have this chocolate. So this is the signature blend, and then here you have the 8-year reserve, and you have the 12-year right here.
Alright, so everyone, you will realize that you have containers with spices in front of you. Start on the left, head to the right, pick it up one by one, smell, tell me what is inside.
Orange peel.
So the first container is orange peel. Second container, vanilla.
Coffee. Cinnamon. Nutmeg.
And the last is
Chocolate. It's a new bag. Can I eat the chocolate?
So we're going to do a food pairing at the end. That's why we need the chocolate.
Okay.
Now everyone, for the other spices, they come from the process. So we're not adding anything to the rum, it comes naturally through the process. So for example, the barrels have vanilla, coffee, the nutmeg. The citrus, remember I told you about the couple giving the citrus?
Yes.
So it's coming from the process. We don't add, it comes through the process. Alright? Now, starting on the left, lift your glass. Look at the color. Tell me if you see a gold color. Yes. Now go ahead, smell.
Just smell it.
Yeah. What are you smelling?
Rum.
Rum.
Sweet. Alright. Now lift your glasses. Lift your glasses. Everybody lifts. Alright. Cheers to those who wish us well, and those who don't can go
To hell.
And those who don't can go to hell. I love it.
Go ahead and drink it.
So we're gonna drink some rum now. There's no water on it or anything like that. Smell it first.
Next. Shots.
Trong man, you trying. The one you're trying.
Not double.
Yeah, that one is strong.
Yeah.
So guys, this was the signature blend that I tasted.
So hold on, 40%. It is also the youngest, 4 years.
How much percent, sorry?
40.
1-4.
No man, 40.
14.
Yes.
That's so strong.
Hold on, everyone. Because it is young and it has not been aged as long, you have to add a chaser to it. So Coca-Cola, cranberry juice, orange juice. Anybody got the Stormy Valley from the bar? Signature ginger beer soda and the Stormy Toss. You have to add this. Alright.
Dilute.
Now we're moving on to the second one.
I drink off the one you still. I don't want one.
Lift your glass.
So after the next one,
First one about to go to hell. What was it
Lift your
again?
glass. Look at the color.
Those who don't wish us well.
Those who don't. I wonder what this one says.
What do you notice is different?
darker.
And that is because of age. Alright. Now go ahead, smell glasses. Lift your glasses. Everybody lifting? Lifting. Alright. Alright, now they say a man's worst
Enemies.
What the Bible says, you should love your enemies.
Yes.
At this point, I'm gonna be drunk.
There is something very special about the rum that you just tasted. So you tasted the 8-year-old reserve. This is the first rum ever created by the master blender Joy Spence. Now when you have it, she wants you to do it 3 ways. Mix, meet,
coconut ice cubes.
I'm giving you up, she says.
No, but if you give it now so we can taste it, not true?
Yeah.
Yeah, make it taste it, you know.
I'm training you so when you go home, you can have this to try. Right? Alright, now everybody knows how to make lemonade. Making a daiquiri is like making a lemonade. Lime or lemon, sugar instead of the water you add.
Rum.
Rum, sugar, lime. If you want to mix it up, you can put your mango, whatever you want to put, to give it a little bit more flavor. Right? Now we're moving on to the last round. Tilt your glass to the side. Tilt the glass. Any side, any side. Tilt it. Bring it back to the original position. And you should see the rum running down the sides of the glass. So we call it legs. So the thicker the legs, the slower they run down is the more aged the rum will be. Right?
Oh,
So
yeah.
everybody see the legs?
Yeah.
See the glass.
Right?
See the glass. See the legs.
So if it is a younger rum, the legs will be thin, they will go down very fast.
See the legs.
Now follow my
People rum holics now, yeah.
Hold the glass away from your nose. After 3, I will ask you to inhale and exhale with the glass away. So 1, 2, 3, inhale. Exhale. Remove it from your nose and swirl. With the glass away, inhale. Exhale. Return the glass to your nose.
Yes.
So you open the rum so you will get more aromas coming from inside.
Yeah.
Alright? Now this is where chocolate will come in. Take a little sip of the rum. Don't take it. You're getting familiar with the flavor. Alright? 45%.
That's strong.
Drink the water. Drink the water. Clean your palate. So we're washing out the flavor from before. We're going to create something new now. Alright? Now take the full piece of chocolate, chew it up, don't swallow. Just bite it up, don't swallow. So it's piece of chocolate, 70 cocoa, 30 sugar. Alright? So chew it up until you start to feel empty. Take the remaining rum, swirl it around your mouth, swallow everything together.
Wow. That's nice though. It's nice with the rum, the chocolate. Yeah. It's real chocolate. It's kind of bitter. That's nice. See, you drink that, but
Yeah.
don't give that a while.
Wow.
Drink more rum.
Alright, will everybody tell your friends?
Yeah.
Alright, so let me explain. We gave you bitter dark chocolate for a reason. If the chocolate is too sweet, it will mask the flavors
Of the rum, yeah.
When it is bitter like that, it brings out the flavors. Right? Especially for 12, this is a dessert rum. After dinner drink. So even if you don't do the chocolate like that, you can do chocolate cake. It works. Okay? Now, can I see the hands of the persons who like signature? Just like that. What about the 8s? What about the 12? How many persons want to
can't get none. Buy it. Buy it.
Hey! Hey!
Alright, for the 15 or 21, my friends, you can get it at your shop.
How many know so?
Yes, never mind.
Alright, so I have something special that I have to tell you about. Also, I have a birthday person and I'm asking if you can sing happy birthday for my birthday person. So before I do that, there's something special in the shop. You can buy it nowhere else in the world. Nowhere else in
Buy it. I thought it was free. Something special is supposed to be free.
Repeat?
Is that discount because you paid to come in?
No, man, so everything is already discounted, so we're cheaper than other places. Right?
No GCT. No GCT.
Alright, so everyone, there's a product that you can buy nowhere else in the world, nowhere else in Jamaica, but here. We call it Private Select. It's a barrel to bottle experience. You purchase the empty bottle, they take you to the barrel, you pour from the barrel into your bottle.
What?
They will give you a label, they will say hand the bottle by, you write your name, you put the date, you place the label on the bottle. You seal the bottle with wax and then you put it in a box for you pour. So the master blender, she made a special rum for her friends. They love it a lot and she said, oh, let me do something for the public. So that is barrel to bottle. Tastes better than a 15 and almost like 21.
How much
The cost only
Only 5,000.
only $60 US, 60 US. Jamaica